Welcome to the MBDA Connector Registration tutorial. To begin, access the MBDA Connector website through your mobile device, computer, or tablet. Click on the Sign Up button located at the right top corner. Complete all the required information to create a profile. The more you complete, the better results you'll get. You'll be asked to select your NAICS codes, socioeconomic categories, and industry to match you with opportunities. Next, choose the types of events you're interested in and select your state to connect with local communities created by your regional MBDA center. Click on Create Account to finish the registration. You will receive an email to confirm your registration. Please check your spam box if you have not received it. Once your registration is confirmed, you will be able to access your dashboard, edit your profile, search for federal opportunities, register for events hosted by MBDA, and much more.